Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into something seriously bizarre. The top 5 weirdest swimming pools in the world. These aren't your ordinary backyard pools. We're talking about pools that will make you say, wait, what? Let's start with the massive San Alfonso del Mar in Chile. This beast holds the Guinness World Record for the largest swimming pool on the planet. It's so big, you can literally sail a boat in it. It's weird, wild, and wonderful, stretching over 1,000 yards and holding 66 million gallons of water. It's like someone took the ocean and placed it right next to the actual ocean just because they could. Next up, we're heading deep into the jungle to the Hanging Gardens of Bali. This stunning infinity pool is built on multiple levels and appears to float above the rainforest. The design makes it feel like you're swimming in the sky, hanging over a lush green cliff. It's peaceful, surreal, and honestly, a little mind-bending when you're leaning over the edge. Now let us talk about something straight out of a horror movie, the library pool in Koh Samui, Thailand. At first glance, it looks like you're swimming in blood. But don't worry, it's not dangerous. The deep red color comes from the unique combination of red, orange, and yellow mosaic tiles. It has a mix of art and water that will definitely catch your eye and maybe freak you out just a little. Coming in hot at number 4 is the Golden Nugget Pool in Las Vegas, USA. This pool literally lets you swim alongside sharks safely, of course. A huge transparent tank filled with live sharks is built right into the pool, and there's even a slide that shoots straight through the middle of the shark tank. It's part thrill ride, part marine exhibit, and 100% Las Vegas weirdness. Finally, let's go deep, like really deep, to the Y40 Deep Joy Pool in Italy. This is the deepest swimming pool in the world, plunging down to an insane 131 feet. It's not just for swimming, it's designed for scuba diving, underwater training, and even movie scenes. With underwater caves, tunnels, and vertical drops, it feels more like diving into the Earth's core than swimming in a pool. So there you have it, the 5 weirdest, most jaw-dropping pools around the globe. Let me know in the comments which one you'd be brave enough to swim in. And don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more travel and design content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.